Welcome to the town of Amlapuram, which as far as we're concerned became famous because of this. The restaurant called Vishnu Shri, which started in 1995 and such a short time has become one of the best known, best loved eateries of this town.
What makes Vishnu Shri really special is this area, the parcel, where the numbers are very, very interesting. Come, let's show you.
And this is where that special parceling takes place. They pack, now get this, over 1,000 parcels a day, and on special days and festivals and occasions, they can pack up to 10,000 of these.
This costs 90 rupees. It has chicken and rice in it. And look at this. It's 1.2 kilos.
This biryani has 6 or 7 pieces of chicken in it. Over a kilo of wonderful goodness. And here's how it's made. Come, let's show you. And this is where all the magic happens. This is the special. Ow, ow. This biryani is getting kind of hot. Watch me chuck this away. Don't worry, I'm going to get it later on. 1, 2, 3. This biryani is being cooked with dum in Andhra style. And what is Andhra style?
Andhra style, at least for this chicken biryani that they're cooking, is that the rice is cooked separately with all the masalas, with heat below and above. And the chicken is being fried separately. Then later they're just going to mix it together before they make the parcel.
This is how it finally happens. The rice is taken, wrapped in the leaves, chicken is put in it, it's mixed up a little bit, it's wrapped around closed. There's a curry over there, which is known as a sherwa. Along with it, you get some onion raita and another separate packet. That is put together, and lo and behold, chicken's done, biryani is ready. My bum is now cooked with dum. And since I'm cooked, can we now go and eat? Thank you. Come on.
How nice is it to be able to come to a place which is in a coastal area, but which also gives you as many options for the vegetarians. These people also have a place called Vaishnavi, and a lot of these dishes have come from there because that's a pure vegetarian place, and they have a thali in which you can get these every day.
Since we're on a coast to coast series, I'm going to start off by telling you about the fish.
But before he starts off telling you about the fish, we'll give you the answer for the Apollo Go the Distance. A person that studies fish is called an ichthyologist.
And if an ichthyologist was here right now, he would look at my plate and say, shark! This is the Godavari Delta, and there you get a lot of sharks coming into the water. Those sharks are then caught by the fishermen and cooked like this. That is the Sora Pirupu, an extremely fishy shark with huge amounts of chili, of course. The curry leaves that sort of take away from that whole thing, but a very interesting texture, extremely dry, as shark meat tends to become if you fry it or cook it a lot. What's the exciting things you got there?
Huge bunch of stuff. But the one I'm going to introduce you to first is this, called the Vanasapattu. It's jackfruit. It's called a curry. And surprisingly for an Andhra dish, it's not super spicy, even though you can see some red chili here. The overriding tastes are those of the mustard seeds and the curry patta.
I've served myself this. Let me pick out a clean piece and show you. That is called the Bomidala Pulusu. Pulusu, of course, is tamarind, as you might have figured out by now. But that is the Bomidala. The closest it comes to is a sardine. And if I just open this like this, I can simply remove the one big bone. So a really easy to eat fish and extremely tasty.
My favorite on this thali so far, this. The humble dal called pappu here, as we all know. But this is called a Manidikaya pappu. Why? Because it's got mango in it. So it's got that really nice, light, sweet, sour taste. And it goes very well with this. Very unusual pulihora, which is a rice, but it's cooked with a whole bunch of spices and especially the overriding taste of tamarind. So it's almost like a pulusu, but it's rice. And the combination, perfect.
Why this pulihora? This brings us to this other exciting fish. I know we're on the coast, but the deltas play an important part in fish. And this one comes from the delta of the Godavari, the Koenga masala. Very different from the pulusu, which is the tamarind taste. This one is a rich tomato, garlic, oil, ginger, coriander flavor.
Vishnu is obviously very popular, and between the hours of 12 to 3, it can get pretty manic out here. Super quick turnover. Lots of people will just blow in, get served, eat in a hurry, and move on. And I suspect one of the things that those people would like is this, the Mulakada Karam.